Black t-shirt gang. Yes. Oh, Taco Bell. Private
Got guacamole and we got beefy cheesy. Yum. I'm doing it right now. So hungry.
How'd you get?
Same thing as her. Just with minus the guac.
Oh. Yeah.
We just had Taco Bell. It was really good. 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10, 100 out of 10.
I'm so full.
We're going to GMM building now because Riley wants to buy a drink. Of course, she just wants to buy a drink.
Oh.
Now we're gonna cross the road. Follow me.
Okay. Okay.
Oh wait, not now. Red.
No.
We're all wearing black.
Emo. This do be gray.
I'm touching you. Girl, I'm touching you.
Well. Wait. Yay. Yay.
Let me see that.
Wow. We went to GMM, but they were closed.
But we did bump into someone that I might have seen before. You guys died.
Oh my god, don't die, don't die.
Oh, it's not that. Oh, it's a fish.
Wait. Don't know my schedule on the fish. It's just Taylor Swift. Rồi, Porter.
I can't when it's open.
Yeah.
No, it's not there.
Yes. I wanted to see the drink lady.
We're going to Terminal 21 now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we have so much time and then we're going to get our nails done. And 30 minutes left. Oh, we have
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
A wild robot.
Wow.
Oh. These dresses just $100. Oh, 100.
Wow.
That is crazy. What is this like?
Okay, Chapel Road. You're nothing more than his wife. Oh. Wow. 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 Can I get a photo with you?
No. We should take a 0.5 selfie with like our grab. It's such a sleigh. Such a sleigh. Give me a second. We'll come back. Yay. We're in the best ride you can ever find here. 10 out of 10. We're stuck in traffic.
It's okay, traffic light, traffic light. E.
One ride. What's up? There's a black room on my car.
You can't clean your hands here. It says the dog washing station is outside.
You're so funny, Randy.
Hi, doggies.
Because of this one, and now that I'm here, I don't want to do black. Fine, fine. These are so. Oh my gosh, this is so. Wow. Stop! I love this. She just asked me if they would sell tea.
What if they don't sell tea at the tea factory? Wow.
It's giving very scrumptious. It's giving very, very, very.
Very, very,
I was
very.
worried the size was gonna be too big, but. Yoeshna is there.
Oh yeah, Yoeshna.
Leaving her nails on.
She had to go first because she's getting extensions. We just basic gel girlies, but she's getting the long claws.
Yes.
As you saw, we got the fancy tuk-tuk. Not all the tuk-tuks look like that. But I use the new app called Move Me, where you can book a private tuk-tuk or a shared tuk-tuk, and the price is already set and you already pay for it, so you don't get scammed as a tourist, and it's more safe and you can track where you're going, so you know you're going to the right place. You're not gonna get murdered or scammed. And they have seat belts.
And not sponsored, so it's real.
Yeah.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, I did see the sponsored ad on TikTok though, and I was like, ooh, I'll try that. And yeah, so far so good. Yay, sparkles. Sparkles, no.
Our fingers are making out.
Ew. Ay. Yeah, wow, sparkly blue. We just took 100 stairs. The one time we take the stairs, there was like 3 staircases. Okay. We're going this way. Let's go. They got their own exit. Wow. Wow.
Hi everyone, welcome to One Bangkok. What do you call it?
One Bangkok.
One Bangkok.
At this point, I think I should just rename the channel Ringsan Second Channel.
Yes. So, I will welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel. Now we're going to One Bangkok. The first thing we're gonna do is find chili birds because Riley's nagging me about that. And then we're gonna get some Phoebes, hopefully. And then we're gonna watch Atlas.
Yay!
And then that's it. Thank you so much. Subscribe.
Wow.
I think the lights are looking a bit good.
Okay, this is good. I hope they're in parade and not the park. Because the park is out there. The love left behind. Put it on. It's true. 39. Please don't end. Left behind. Retro 39. To my life. With the rubbish with the trash. Yoeshna is coming. Her nails took a bit longer. Oh, she's calling. we're with Amas. I think we're in the photo.
We're definitely in the photo.
I wasn't filming because I was busy waving. But you know, Nice is just so happy to see us. We were like,
No, first he was like,
yeah.
and then he just like looked down.
I'm sorry, I still love you. Please. Wow. Wow. Wait, wow, wow. Focus, please. Oh, there we go. Focus. Amazing! Wow! We got men. Down there is women. And all gender. Oh my god, look, they got the half dress.
I love this.
Wow. Hi.
Hello. We are going to the BTS.
It's been a long but good day. See, we're going on the BTS right now. I'm sorry, you can't come. No animals.
Oh damn it, Riley, you can come as well because you're a litter. You dirty.
She had to come back this time.
Film me, come here. Oh, you let her.
Oh, boy.
Julian was here, my husband.
Your husband?
All the handsome guys are mine. Oh my god, your arms. Is it okay?
Don't break your arms.
I'm breaking.